Hi, and welcome to TrackTech Online Learning Guarding Suite. In this video, we're going to look at the Mobile Zone License. First, let's look at where the zone license is created. Select the Site tile and Site Zones groups from the menu. Here we can select one of the zones by selecting the View button. The license for the zone can be created once you've activated a position. To create a position, select the Positions tab and select the Create a Position plus sign to create a position. Some of the fields for positions include the post name, post ID, and a description of the service. For those that have scheduling, they can enter in the schedule details so that a user knows the specific tasks for that actual shift. Service duration is for ongoing service, and temporary service includes any request by a client for a temporary position to be created. Once that's done, select Save. Let's look at a position that's already been created. We have a patrol as the name of the position, description of the task, and a begin date that hasn't been assigned, as well as the employee's pay rate and information for pay. Once that's done, we can select the security and patrol and select the device licenses. This is the area that allows you to create a dedicated license and install code for your mobile device, so it will be connected to this zone. To create a device, again, select the Create Device. Type in the description for the person intended to use this device, and as well, you can select the positions from the drop-down. Recommend putting a phone number here for reference in case you need to call that device for the user that is logged in or clocked into it. Now let's go to the mobile device and register this so you can see what a zone license looks like on a mobile phone. Enter in the URL for your actual portal and then put in the license install code that was created. Once you've entered it in, select Install. This will bring you now to your main page for sign-in on the mobile application. As you can see, this is the name of the zone. So type in your username that was given to you by your administrator and type in your password. Once you've entered that in, select Sign In. You now have the same options as you saw when you sign in to an actual site. Clock in, sign out, or cancel. Let's clock in. Once you've clocked in, you are now registered at the zone for overnight patrol, and your position for your shift is patrol. Your clock in time is indicated as well. The main difference for a zone license versus a site license is now you have the option to select the site that has been registered to that zone for work. To do so, select the Site tile button and select the actual property. Any zone that has sites within it will be listed in here. Once you select it, you have the option to sign into that site. If you're in a vehicle, you have the option to pull up a map to navigate you to that site. And as well, you have the dedicated phone number for that actual property that was put into the profile within your TrackTech administrative portal. Let's sign into the site. You'll be prompted that any reports or information that you do create will be registered to the site details. Select OK. You'll be prompted with a bar at the top to let you know the current site that your phone is registered to. And in the event that you are in the incorrect site, you can simply select the site button to select the correct site. Now that you're in the site working, you are able to see anything that was programmed for this location. Select the checkpoints to view the tour schedule. You can also select the actual post and escalations file to view any post orders. This has all been programmed for this site. When it's time to sign out of your device and clock out of your shift, first select the red bar to allow you to leave the site and return to your zone position. From here, you can clock out of your shift. For more information on other elements of Zone License and the mobile application, head over to the question mark as well as Tractic University and type in Zone License. Here you'll get details on creating your license and references to the actual site zones. Thanks. Until next time.